Okay, so today we're going to solve codeforces, one of the easiest problems, square year problem. Let's first understand the problem. Problem statement breakdown, step by step. You're given a year as a 4-digit string, like 2025, 0001, 4900, etc. You need to check if that year can be expressed as
plus 2
equals A plus B
2
equals S, where A and B are non-negative integers, A greater than or equal to 0, B greater than or equal to 0. You have to print any such pair, A, B, such that open parenthesis A plus B close parenthesis squared equals S. If multiple pairs exist, print any one. If none exist, output -1. Magnifying glass tilted left examples to understand. Small orange diamond input. 2025. Can we write 2025 equals open parenthesis A plus B close parenthesis squared? Yes. 45 squared equals 2025. So A equals 20, B equals 25 is one valid answer. Small orange diamond input. 4,900. 70 squared equals 4,900. So A plus B equals 70. You can take A equals 34, B equals 36, or A equals 0. B equals 70. Both work. Small orange diamond input. 1,000. No number squared gives 1,000, so we return -1. Third place medal step 1. Brute force approach, naive lover mode. Light bulb idea. Try every value of A and B where A plus B ranges from 0 to 100, since 100 squared equals 10,000, the limit. Clockwise vertical arrows algorithm, brute force. Convert the 4-digit string S into an integer n. Loop A from 0 to 100. Loop B from 0 to 100. A. Check if open parenthesis A plus B close parenthesis squared equals n. If yes, print A, B, and return. If no such pair exists, print -1. So this is the code for brute force. Now, let's find better solution idea. We don't care about A and B separately. We only care about x equals A plus B. So try all values of x from 0 to 100 and see if x asterisk x equals n. If yes, just print any A equals 0, B equals x. Clockwise vertical arrows algorithm, better. Convert string S to integer n. Loop x equals 0 to 100. If x asterisk x equals n, print 0x or x0. If no match, print -1 inch. And finally, let's find an optimal solution. Idea. You don't even need a loop. Just convert the string to integer n. Take the square root x equals sqrt, n. If x asterisk x equals n, then print any pair, like 0x. Else print -1. Clockwise vertical arrows algorithm, optimal. Convert string s to integer n. Take x equals sqrt, n. If x asterisk x equals n, print 0x. Else print -1. Final thoughts. Approach time complexity notes. Brute force 100 by 100, too much for no reason. Better approach 100, just loop x equals A plus B. Optimal approach 1, uses sqrt directly.